This app is a clone of a $5 million per month business, and I built it with just 2 AI tools and 0 code. PictureThis is exactly what it says. It's a botanist in your pocket. You can take a picture of any plant and it will instantly identify it for you. And this app is crushing it because they have over 100 million downloads, and 600,000 of those downloads came last month. And you can see here that the revenue worldwide was $5 million, which is just insane. And this is what I built. It's called FloraLens, and it's built inside of Lovable.dev with a backend that's processed with N8N. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works and give you the exact Lovable prompt, including the N8N workflow, so you can build it yourself. First up, the front end, what users actually touch. Inside Lovable, we start off with one single prompt, and I've called it FloraLens because the app captures and uploads a plant photo, previews it, and on submit posts a JSON payload to this webhook. This is what triggers the N8N automation. I've given it some design and language aesthetics, some layout guidelines, components for the look and feel of the website, and what I want in the copy, so the headline, subtext, and so on. And honestly, the version you're seeing in front of you took me about 30 minutes. And if I spent about 2 hours, I can make it as polished as PictureThis. But the point of this video is to show you that you can vibe code any SaaS tool without learning to code. Everything you see in this app has been built using a prompt. Now we'll give FloraLens a brain, which is built entirely in N8N. And there's only 3 steps. The webhook node waits for the photo to be uploaded. Once it receives the JSON payload as a binary file, it will then trigger the next node, which is ChatGPT's vision, which will then analyze the image. And for the model, I'm using Fora Mini because it's cheap and affordable and it's quite quick. And then for the prompt, I've given it this. So analyze the upload image of a plant is as much factual detail as possible. So this node's responsibility is just to identify what it sees. It's to describe the leaf shape, color, texture, stem, branching structure, any flowers, fruits or buds, overall size, symmetry, and then explain what these features suggest about the plant's likely species, condition, and care needs covering water, sunlight, soil, and temperature requirements. And the reason I've done this is because this is what PictureThis has inside its features. Not only does it identify the plant, it'll actually tell you if it's healthy, if it needs watering, and so on. And the main point is to keep it factual. I don't want vision to hallucinate. And then input is going to be a binary file because that's what I'm asking Lovable.dev to do. Once I submit the upload image button, it then sends the file to the webhook as a binary file. And the name of the input data is image. And you'll see this when I run the demo next. The third node is the plant analyzer. And this is just a simple AI agent. The prompt is going to be the plant description, which is the JSON content from the previous analyzed image node. I'm going to toggle on require specific output format, and I'll explain why in a second. And then the system message is always the most important part of any AI agent. So I've told it that you are a botanical classification expert. Using the descriptive data provided from the vision model, identify the most likely plant species. I've given it some instructions. I've given it an output format, and this output format is what's going to be sent back to Lovable.dev through the webhook. And I've given it some guardrails. And for the language model, I'm using 2.5 Flash from Gemini because it's the fastest model that I've used, and it's completely free if you access it through the API. And because we've got the require output format toggled on, we're going to need the structured output parser. And so for this, I'm just going to pass these variables. Now, everything you see in these quotation marks, this is just placeholder text. Once the plant analyzer agent runs, it will then replace everything inside of here. And this is important because we're going to pass this variable data back into Lovable.dev. So let's test it. Now remember, this is a mobile app, so you can actually take a picture of your iPhone or Android device. But since I'm on a desktop, I'm just going to upload it. And here's the image, which is just called plant JPEG. So I don't want to add any bias by using the plant name in the file name. And then once I hit submit, it's going to then trigger the N8N workflow. It takes a few minutes for N8N to analyze the image and describe it with the AI agent. But once it's done, it will send the output back into Lovable.dev. And there you have it. It's got a primary identification. So it's 95% sure that this is the Dracaena fragrance, Massangina, I think it is. I have no idea because I'm not a gardening or plant expert. But it's also given alternative identifications based on a probability. So it could be a snake plant, it could be a dragon tree, and it's given us some botanical insights. And I could expand this even further and add like a health score, how to improve the plant if it looks like it's dying, and so on. These are features that you can absolutely plug in and build with Lovable.dev because in my opinion, Lovable is the best vibe coding platform out there. And actually, it's very easy to do this. And you can go into production with this application quite easily because you can integrate a Stripe payment gateway, so you can charge your customers $5 a month or whatever the subscription fee is, and you can publish it by pressing the publish button here. Lovable.dev have made it absolutely easy for anybody to vibe code a SaaS tool or application. So I didn't just copy a $5 million a month app. I actually built a fully working version using Lovable.dev and N8N in about 30 minutes. And this is what no-code AI building looks like now. And if you want the full prompt that I used for FloraLens and this N8N workflow and save yourself a bunch of time, click on the link in the description and sign up for my online community. I teach anyone who's interested in AI, who wants to build an AI hustle or wants to leave their 9-to-5 and go into this full time. I'm somebody that runs an AI automation agency, and AI has actually turned my life around because it's really the most exciting place you can be in right now. And the opportunities are endless. So click on the link and sign up for that in the description. And before you go, smash the like button if this video opened your eyes. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Turn the notifications on so you see when the next video drops. And jump onto Lovable.dev and build something like this yourself. Like I said, mindset, the sky's the limit. See you next time.